Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, if an order is missing or even not showing up in your Shopify dashboard, don't panic. In this video, I show you how to fix the order not showing issue in Shopify in 2026. So, let's get started. Well, first refresh the orders page after fully opening Shopify in your favorite browser. I'll show you how. Go all the way and tap shopify.com, then hit enter. This will basically take you to the main page where you usually log in using your email address and password. After this, we're gonna go all the way to orders. This is the order page. When you are basically having a plan, you are already subscribed to one of these subscription plans of Shopify. All of them orders of yours will be showing in this list. Check the order filters or check the more actions as well. Make sure filters like drafts, archives, or even unfulfilled aren't hidden orders. Then go and check the drafts from here as well. Check any abandoned checkouts since orders may not complete payment. Verify also your payment status since unpaid orders may not appear as completed. Check also if the staff permissions. Ensure you have permission to view all of them orders of yours. And that's the main idea. But if you are still missing some of them, all you got to do now as the last result is contact the Shopify support. If the order was paid but missing, support can always locate it. Make sure you send them in like a quick message or email and they will help you. So thank you all for watching and I will see you in the next video.